Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here back again with day 3 of a video. We are going to practice stretches for flexibility. Let's get started. Once you come to Vajrasana on the floor, now come on your fours. These are the very basic stretches. I would say these stretches you should do every single day to keep your spine flexibility and also to keep your spine strengthening. Now, keep your both the knee apart from each other and take one arm distance. This is very important. These are alignments. Okay. From here one arm and then add one palm distance. Keep your fingers open so that you can save your wrist. It won't get hurt that easily. Your toes can be turned out or it can be turned in. So you can see whatever works well for you. From here, as you breathe in, you're going to take your spine in, open up your shoulder, you're going to look up. And as you breathe out, you're going to round your shoulder, look down to the stomach. Breathe in up and breathe in down. Breathe in up, spine in, neck stretched, and breathe out, neck down to the chin, round your shoulder. Breathe in, spine in. Breathe out, round your shoulder. Last one, breathe in. You're going to hold. This is relaxing, this is good for flexibility, this is good for strengthening. So all in one, you must practice this. And you're going to exhale, round your shoulder. When you hold in a posture, try to keep your eyes closed so that you can focus more on what you feel, on your breath. Keep your mind empty, focus on your breath. Now, get your spine in straight line. Here, keep your wrist as it is, get your knee closer to each other. Toe pointing out. You're going to move your right leg all the way up, keep your knee bent, spine in, open up your chest, look up. And exhale, try to touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Last one, exhale forward, you're going to hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, if your knee doesn't come forward, don't push your neck down. You will unnecessarily stress your neck. So make sure that you keep your neck relaxed. Same thing the other side. Toe pointing out, inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up, the last one. Exhale forward, you're going to hold here. If you think this is your capacity max, that's okay, hold. All you have to do is feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. So you can choose whatever works well for you, whether you want to get your knee forward or you're going to keep your knee down. Follow the alignments. From here, your knees already together, right? Take your palms slightly closer to each other and get them one palm ahead and two palms ahead. So this is the calculation. Now from here, you're going to push your hip back, okay? So once again I repeat, from here, palm 1, palm 2. Don't move your knee. Now focus on your lower back, tuck your toe in so that you have a better balance. Now keep pushing your hip back and try to get your chest down on the floor. Down, up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, chest down to the chest, up. Last one, down, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Now from here you're going to drop your stomach down. You don't have to move your toe at all. Toe pointing out. Drop your elbows down. Now your palm is next to the head line. Okay. Your palm is not here to the chest. It is forward. When you drop your head down, your palm should be next to the head. Alright. Now from here, tuck your toe in. Tighten your knee. You're going to engage your lower body. So tighten your hip joint a little, knee tucked in. As you inhale, push the floor and come up. exhale down. You can also tuck your toe in if you have any problem, if you think that is not very comfortable. Choose whatever works well for you. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep moving. Inhale up, give a stretch, exhale down. The last one we're going to hold up. Inhale up, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Get your palm down. Slowly come Bhujangasana. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bend your both the knee. You're going to push yourself all the way up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Relax your shoulder. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. The last one we're going to hold up. Inhale up. Hold 5. Keep your neck relaxed. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly, once you lift your hip up, you're going to get your knee forward. You're going to be in a child posture. Relax your spine. Palm together. Keep your knees slightly apart if you want to be more comfortable. Now, palm together. Push your hands back. Stay here. Drop your hands down and you're going to slowly come up. Just with such a simple sequence, I'm already sweating. So if you do it in a right way, then definitely you can see that your body is slightly more flexible. You can add it as a warm-up or you can practice after your regular routine also. So practice this and let me know how did you feel. Don't forget to drop your comment. I'll be looking forward for it. Thank you.